Guys, Victoria here from Lifetime Story Photography, and in today's video I would love to show you how to change a JPEG image of your logo into a PNG. And why PNG? It's because when you want to put your logo on your products, you don't want to have this background. So if I do it now and we go in here, you will see the logo. It just covers my product, but delete this one. But if I go with my photography logo, for example this one, it just goes on top of it without any white background. So in order to do that, what you can do is, let's deselect that, you duplicate your layer, Command J, and that's my duplicated layer. You go to your magic wand, and if you can't find it, you just have to go to the quick selection tool, magic wand at the bottom, and you select your background. Now it's selected everything what it's white. Then you add a layer mask and you invert, Command I, and now in the moment when we will take the first layer, it's off. Now one step which I haven't told you is that sometimes your first layer will be blocked, like in this image in here, so you just have to unblock it. All right, for you to be able to use it. So now you can turn it off and only your PNG will be saved like that. So if you go File, Save As, and let's save this PNG, and you go to PNG, I will just put it on my folder. Okay, and now if I go to my banner here and I place embed, I will take this PNG. You see there is only the little logo without the white background, so I will just put it here for now, and look how beautiful it looks. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with the world. And if you want more to be part of a community, I invite you to join my Facebook group. We will learn more about newborn and maternity photography, and I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. See you next. Bye.